Hello, let's use this. My friend told me I have a challenge to. I only have two products to use. Okay, let's start. First, we got this unusually good product on my face is Nivea. I put it on. Okay, it's on. Now let's blend it in with my skin. Oh, I got some on my nails, but it's okay because my nails is not dirty, it's clean. Okay, I'm a little bit rough, but okay. Okay, it's good. Now it's time for the blush. I have to use it for all my face. Oh no. Okay, she's on, and now let's blend it in. Oh, I have an idea. I can use toilet paper instead of my blender because I can only use two products. You can see it didn't come out as planned. It stained the toilet paper and now I have to use it all over. Okay, it's blending and now it looks much better. No texture. Now for the good oh, it got in my eye. No. Okay, let's try this again. Oh, it got my mouth and my nose and my eyes. Oh no. For the last time, okay, it's good. I got no texture. Bye. Mwah. No texture. Oh yeah, I can use this on my lips too because I don't have any lipstick because I can only use two products. Okay, it didn't come as planned, but then I used my Vaseline Nivea. As you can see, I'm using it on my lips and I almost messed up. Okay, that I messed up, but I'm sorry for my speed, but I had to do it because I can't use any wipes. But now it's coming out very good, and I love it. I put on some Vaseline and it's great. Now for my favorite sweet because I did my challenge. Bye.